In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find learning or educational videos on kids YouTube app. So if you want to go ahead and set your kids YouTube app to learning apps or to educational content only, it is pretty much simple. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. All right. So the first thing you need to do is to open your YouTube Kids app, and once you are here, you'll see your current category is set to all. From here, go ahead and scroll this, and you'll see we have this learning option. If you go ahead and switch to learning category, now this will go ahead and display all learning videos or educational material that are appropriate for your child on this app. And as you can see here, all this video here are educational videos. So that's how you can find learning or educational videos on YouTube Kids app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.